Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Coinbase. Leverage trading amplifies your potential gains, but it also significantly increases your risk. It essentially lets you borrow funds to increase your trading position beyond your initial investment. We'll cover the fundamental steps to get started, from understanding what leverage means to executing your first trade. Always remember that higher leverage means higher potential for both profit and loss. When using leverage, you're essentially borrowing money to increase your trading power. For example, with 2 times leverage, a $100 investment controls $200 worth of assets. However, this also means your losses are amplified. A critical risk is liquidation, where your position is automatically closed if the market moves too far against you, potentially losing your entire collateral. It's vital to understand these risks before you begin. To open a leveraged position on Coinbase, first ensure your account meets the eligibility requirements for margin trading. Once confirmed, navigate to the trading section and select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. You'll then specify your desired leverage ratio, perhaps 3 times or 5 times, and the amount of capital you want to commit. Review all the details, including the estimated fees, before confirming your order. This initiates your leveraged trade. Managing your leveraged positions is crucial. Continuously monitor the market and your open trades. Consider setting stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the price drops to a certain level, limiting your potential losses. Conversely, take-profit orders can secure your gains. When you're ready, you can manually close your position to realize your profit or loss. Remember, holding leveraged positions often incurs periodic funding fees, so be aware of these costs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.